Alright guys, we're out here taking a walk with my buddy and we stumbled upon this 9660 STS John Deere combine harvester in a wheat field. Hasn't harvested, it only harvested one little line down there. I'll show you that in a second. But I think it's pretty cool. It doesn't look as big on the camera that it is in real life, in person, because it's really big. And then the header trailer's here too. And here's the combine. This is as far out as I can zoom. So that's what it looks like. And she's got a nice, brand new, looks like a spout on the tip of the auger.
See that line going straight down?
Yeah. Got a nice little John Deere. Hold on, what is this header? Can't see. 625F header attachment. Bullet rotor 9660 STS John Deere combine. Really like the way it looks. So I'll post you up later if it starts harvesting this big field of wheat, and you'll get to see a really good view of it harvesting. See you guys in the next video.